what's up, y'all? Decided I'm gonna make another attempt to do an embroidery design on a hat, but this time I'm gonna use a stabilizer. And what I have right here is a sticky stabilizer. So I'm gonna put it on the hoop and see if I could get the hat to embroidery. Okay, so now I'm going to take my hat and I'm going to take some tape and tape this part in. Okay, so now I'm going to place the hat on a magnet hoop, like so, to get it to lay down flat better. I'm just going to open it and neatly press it down to the sticky stabilizer. And just smooth it out on the sticky stabilizer. I'm going to take these clips that I have and just smooth it out. And I just realized it's not lining up, so I'm going to try to line it up to this. There's a mark in here that tells you if it's in the middle, so I'm going to try to line it up to that too. And now I'm going to smooth it out. And I'm going to place the magnets right here. And they still need smoothing out. Place it right there. And I'm going to just smooth it out and get another magnet. And just smooth it out on the sticky stabilizer. I almost bent my, well, I did bend my nail a little bit. So I'm just going to smooth it out, make sure it's lining up in the center, and make sure it's smoothing out evenly. Okay, I think that's the best I could get it. I'm going to put one there, so it could be very extra smooth. I'll put it one here. It probably doesn't need one there. Okay. And then I'll just put it right here. Okay, it's right at the center, and this, that's helpful. I just folded and it stick a little at the back there, so I'm just gonna do that. And now I'm gonna place it in the embroidery hoop. So I'm just gonna use a font, and I'm just gonna put S, and I'm gonna, this large, this will work. I'm gonna set it, and I'm gonna see what thread I got in here, and it's like a dark red. I'll just leave it, and I want to see where it's gonna be placed. So I'm gonna look at the layout. I guess we could try the needle thing and see what happens. Let's try this the base. It's too high up, so I'm gonna move it down. Oh, you know what? Put it back. I'm just gonna move it down. Okay. Let's see the layout. Okay, I'm just gonna move it. So let's see the layout again. Okay, I think that's perfect. It looks really nice. It looks really nice. Here's just the basics dish right here. It looks really, really good. I want to do more. I'm going to add more to it. I want to see if I could. Hey, what's up? So I really like how the hat came out, so I decided to add 2 more stars, and I took it from IQ Designer. I shrinked the size in IQ the Designer so I'll be able to get it to fit in the hat. So right now I'm gonna add these 2 stars next to the S, and we'll see how it turns out. All right? Okay, so I'm gonna press embroidery, and I'm going to press down the foot, press the green button, and let's go. Okay, it is done, and I'm very pleased and happy how the hat came out. So this techniques work. So I guess you could embroidery on the hat. There it goes. So I'm going to take the magnet hoops clips off. Again, I forgot I had a synchronizing. This could come off. I don't have my steam ripper on me right now, but look how beautiful the hat looks. Isn't that cute? Let's see if I could zoom out. Isn't that nice? It came out really cute. All right, so it's just a little high up. I guess I could have put it down, but I think this is the best it could do. It's just right here, you know, because then if you try to get close to here, it lifts up. So you could only do this area. So I wouldn't do the hats. It's because you can go further down, you know. So I wouldn't try hats on this machine. I will just get a machine that works for a hat because it's further up. But it still looks nice even though the design is further up. So I'm very pleased with the hat. It's really cute. Okay, so I'll see y'all later. Bye.